Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer money from Wise to GrabPay. So first of all, what you need to do is create yourselves an account on Wise. Make sure that you verify your account. If you don't have any idea how to do that, I created a video where I explained you how to do that. And then after that, we go here to send. Then right here, we search, for example, for the Philippines. There we go. And then we fill in right here €100, for example. Then we click right here on Add Recipient, and then we click here on e-wallet. Then we select right here someone else. And then from here, we can fill in right here the email, so their email. Then we can fill in right here the full name of the cardholder. And then if you go down right here, we can fill in the wallet provider. So we click on wallet provider, and there we have GrabPay. Then we fill in right here the recipient's e-wallet number, and then we fill in right here the city, and then we click right here on continue. Then it will send you right here to the review page, and then you will see exactly what will happen if you pay that person. Then click further, and then after that you can click right there on pay, and then you can do your payment from Wise to GrabPay. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.